Most people think saying no is simple, but psychology says, for some, it feels like a moral crime. People who feel bad for saying no are often misunderstood. They are labeled as selfish, rude, or difficult, but in reality, their brain reacts differently to boundaries. Today, we'll explore the psychology of people who feel guilty saying no and why it's not weakness, it's wiring. Saying no triggers a storm in their mind. What if they get upset? What if they hate me? What if I ruin the relationship? Every no feels like a social gamble. Psychologists call this social guilt, the brain treating no like a threat to connection. Most people who feel guilty saying no were raised in worlds where compliance was rewarded. From family to school, saying yes filled invisible approval meters. Saying no? Danger zone. Their brain associates refusal with shame. This isn't being weak. It's learned wiring from years of subtle conditioning. They often put other people's happiness above their own. They will cancel plans, take on favors, or overcommit just to avoid conflict or disappointment. Psychologically, this shows high social empathy and low boundary training. They care too much, not the wrong people. For them, no doesn't just reject a request. It could trigger guilt, regret, anxiety. They imagine scenarios for hours, replaying what might happen. It's not laziness or cowardice. It's the brain protecting against emotional discomfort. A simple yes fills their approval meter. A no empties it. Over time, their comfort zone shrinks. Boundaries feel scary. Freedom feels risky. And saying no feels heavier than it should. The good news? This pattern can change. Start with tiny no's. Skipping a small favor, declining a minor request. Notice the discomfort, survive it, and repeat. Psychologists call this self-assertion training. Over time, saying no stops feeling like betrayal and starts feeling like self-care. People who feel bad for saying no are not selfish. They are not weak. They are human. Their brains are wired for connection, empathy, and care. Learning to say no doesn't hurt relationships. It strengthens them. If this made you nod and think, you know, that's me. Subscribe for more psychology insights that explain why your brain reacts the way it does.